In this video, we will cover how to perform a combine vibration calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. With the correct harvest configuration loaded, from the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, press Calibration, press Vibration. With the separator running, press Start to begin the 60-second timer. You'll want to have the separator running at full throttle. Once the time has elapsed, go ahead and turn the separator off and press the green check mark. We have now covered how to perform a combine vibration calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.